Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any image, video, audio, document move automatically to your selected folders in Android. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as File Navigator, and on the first list you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. And opening it will ask you some permissions. Just click on green, click on allow, click on green again. Let's just enable this File Navigator. Just move back. Now you can see here the start button. So before clicking on the start button, you can just click on the settings icon. You can see here various options here, so you can select either notify or auto. So let me just give you a demo how to select the respective folders for the respective options. Say for the screenshot, I want a particular folder of my choice to be moved automatically whenever I take a screenshot. So I'll just click on this auto, and you can select your available folders, or you can just create a new folder. So let me give it a name screenshot. Click on OK. So I have created a new folder of my choice. You can select the already created folder also. After that, just click on this use this folder. Click on allow. So you can see here, whenever I take a screenshot on my Android smartphone, then it will automatically move to my selected folder with the name screenshot. And now once you have selected your respective folder for the respective options, now just click on this apply. So similarly, you can do the same thing with the rest options. Now just move back. Now just click on this start. Now the application has started. Now let us try to take a screenshot. So I've taken a screenshot. Now let us open the file manager. Now let us go to the internal storage. So now you can see here the screenshot folder. So let us open it. So now you can see here the screenshot which we have taken is saved automatically or moved automatically to my select folders. And if you want to stop this File Navigator, then just click on this stop. And it will stop. So by using this application named as File Navigator, you can easily make any image, video, audio, document move automatically to your selected folders in Android very easily. So if you've never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.